So I repaired an old Kenwood stainless steel dishwasher. It was quite expensive when it was new, but we had it for years and years. The door catch went, so it wouldn't shut properly. For a little while I used to just kind of stick a screwdriver in it to flick it back round so that we could shut it and use it. Eventually the micro switch on the catch went as well, so that the dishwasher wouldn't function at all. Purchased a new catch and switch assembly from yourselves for about £14, I think it was. Took the door all apart and put the new part into the dishwasher, and the dishwasher continued to work for another 2 years after that, which obviously saved us in the region of a similar type of dishwasher, probably about £300 to £400. The dishwasher has since been retired because another part of it failed, which was going to cost £85 to repair, and seeing as I had purchased it second hand anyway, I thought it was time to upgrade, so I bought a new dishwasher for £50, which again was second hand but was only 2 years old and has no faults. So until the next time, the repair obviously made me feel very good. Very pleased that we got another couple of trouble-free years out of using a dishwasher that essentially has cost us nothing really. So yeah, looking forward to having my first ever barbecue.